Hi there, this is Mrs. Farr, and I'd like to show you a few things about color today. One of the things I'd like to show you is how these three colors represent what we call the primary colors: blue, yellow, and red. There are three colors on the color wheel that we call primary, and the reason we call them primary is primary means first. You start with these and you can mix a myriad of other colors. So quickly look at this color wheel and find the primary colors, yellow, red, and blue. Good. Find the secondary colors, orange, violet, and green, and then find those tertiary colors. Awesome. So here we go. This is red plus yellow. And you can see it's a beautiful orange here, wonderful orange. So you always want to add the darker color to the lighter color. This basic color wheel shows primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors, all mixed starting with the primary colors. We're going to mix blue and yellow together, and we're going to get a beautiful green. What two primary colors are left for us to mix? And you can probably guess what I'm going to get. Very nice. I got a beautiful violet here. And again, I started with two primary colors, red and blue, and I got my secondary color. Again, I put the darker color into the lighter color. The blue went into the red because it actually takes less pigment that way, whatever you're using, whether it's color pencil, oil pastel, or typically paint. Here are the three colors that we mixed. The next type of color that's important to know are the tertiary colors. They're between the secondary and primary colors, and they're mixed by mixing a primary and a secondary together. In this instance, I'm going to take this blue and add violet. When I add violet to blue, I get blue-violet or violet-blue. So color theory says that these two colors are opposite, and you may recognize them because they're used around a special holiday in December. And darker red. So by adding opposite colors, you can get variance on your original color, which is quite nice. The more I add, though, you'll see it's starting to look very muddy, and that's what, as artists, we're worried about, a color getting kind of icky. And more than a true brown, it usually just dulls the color down quite a bit and may not look as bright and exciting as when you started. But it is something that advanced painters will use because let's say you have something red and it's in the shadow. Perfect red in the shadow right there. Thinking about what you learned, look at this painting and observe the different types of reds and even the tans created in this painting. They're all created by mixing colors. We started with the primary colors, and there's three: yellow, blue, and red. So we have three. Plus, they create three other colors: orange, green, and violet. And then between them, so we've got 6 so far, we have an additional 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 when we think of the intermediate colors.